Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Subhan Mujtaba again. After long break, there are too many things going up and down, so was busy on that. Finally got back on charts from last 3 4 days, I guess 4 days I guess. So hopefully I got my eyes back on the chart and studied chart a lot. Missed this little moment while I was away from like 15 20 days. I was away from chat, so I missed this move. But finally I got my eyes back on charts and yes, I don't know is it recording or no. I hope it start recording. And okay, so it's Saturday 24th. Saturday, it's okay, it's Saturday and 24th of February. 24th Feb. So my birthday month, day after tomorrow, it's birthday. And yes, let's get back to the charts. What's going on? Let me get it into detail. First, I will analyze this shit, Bitcoin. Then we'll look at alts, which you guys suggested on Twitter, and we'll wind up like the way quickly. So starting it with Bitcoin, same old story, but with new faces now. Old story with new faces. Okay, good line. I had this a bit small fair value gap here. Let me remove this and mm, no, where it is fair value gaps. So give me a minute. I just wanted to settle it up. Okay, so. Hi, we have this small fair value gap here, which is almost get filled out, but not filled fully. So waiting for this to filled on weekly. Overall structure is bullish, making higher high, again higher high, now again higher high. So this zone is your higher low. It will go up again eventually. Now, another important thing which I should mark here, which I recently spot on chart, is this range. First, I was looking at this range, this only weekly candle, but now it flipped, so I extend my range here. We have fair value gap above. So this is weekly outlook of Bitcoin. It is at range high and it should retrace here according to analysis. But why it is not retracing and what are the mm, I mean why it is going up and up and up. So we will look how much get it go up. So we have fair value gap above range highs here. And now if I come back to the daily chart, on daily cluster cluster of these small candles here, this is like this one cluster of these candles, like this is giving me vibes that consolidation just below resistance. So this is dangerous. This thing is dangerous because whenever consolidation happens under resistance, once it break out, it goes straight up. This breakout will be like a good fireworks up till here, maybe 53 to 55K. So yes, this is a bit dangerous thing here. But if you see on the daily chart that this point is your BOS point, so it is holding quite beautifully right now. Once daily closes below, then we will retest and eventually come down structure wise. On H4 it broke, I think. On H4 it broke the structure. Now I will take one more thing into the consideration, that range from my friend Zen in Discord. He mentioned this range as well, so this is also likely to play out very good and very soon here. Range high created of impulse, and then we swept this here, we rejected quite good. So now we are coming back towards these down areas, but straight, or we will take we will come straight down here, or something like this, choppy, 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 and then go up. So this is what I will try to what should I say? I will try to explain what's going on at background, because I have one more thing to check out. So after that you will see what's going on in market. So these are the important levels. Right now I will remove this one, not important. Weekly range is important, so I marked it here. uh, Fair value gap is also important. So now another internal range, structure wise highs are taken out, lows are also taken out. So range is almost completed here. So now small liquidities are building, like this liquidity breakout and then come down. So this is building up here. So I'm just curious that how to trade this and how I can benefit from it. So this is the internal range here, which is executing first range as this one, this low was the range low. First trade we took here, and then we didn't trade it. I didn't trade it this. Then this range created here a small sweep. We created equal lows and now sweep here. So I will mark this level as well here, because this was a recent range low. This is important level because it is acting as SR level here. So this is key area for me for to trade. How to trade this I will show you a while. Now structure wise higher highs created here. This was your higher high, higher low, again higher high, structure BOS. We got order block, this one, we tapped in, we go up, again higher high created, we created order block, but we didn't tap in it, so my bids are here and stop is somewhere here. I don't know where it is, but somewhere at 49,000 $10 or 49,000 $20. This is my stop, and at 700 my bids are placed. So I will wait for this, because market is closed. So hopefully when my key, I am expecting a dump in it and then pump. Why I'm expecting first dump? There is a reason behind it. I will explain it a bit in a while. So now first we are in range. So we will see how to trade this range first. So I will come back to the H1 chart now. Lows taken out. Okay, now this is important SR level here, this one. So I'm waiting for this level to flip. How to flip, let me show you on lower time frames. I explained this to the Discord members earlier on first stream which I took when I get back home. It will be like this. It flipped, created order block here. These will be your bid stops somewhere here, and you can target this level and above level. Same another, again we have tested structure, shifted here, we tested 5-minute order blocks, we go up. Here again this phenomena happened. here. Sorry, that was on M5. So that was also a good trade. So again, I'm expecting it to go up here and give me some kind of BOS here and give me a small order block, and then I will operate in it. Other than that, lower time frame, if I see that there is order, this shift happened, yes, happened here. We have this small order block placed here with fair value gap in it. So hopefully, I don't think so this will react here. I personally don't think this will react because yesterday night the same situation happened here. Same kind of structure on lower time frame created here in this zone. So I placed bids in it and first it reacted like this. This was the candle, I think, yes. So I placed my stop at break even, then it come down. So I am expecting it to come down here and then go up. So this will be your first plan. Let me check OT. So it is also matching here. So if it retested here, stops here, and you can trade until this SR level. This is your first trade plan. So this will be a bit risky, but going with 1% never harms. 2.18 R is a trade. And one more thing I will see here is the, yes, it is also forming here. So 1 2 bids in this area are DCA till down, and then if it gives you a good bounce, hold it. Not giving a good vibe, get out early. So that will be the first trade. Second trade will be I will execute if this happened here, something this retest, and then I will enter here in this zone. So looking for 755, 51, 755 is my level. So I will trade that level as well. So these are the two long trades I will see here right now. And other than that, I will wait for this. The major long, my major bids are placed here. So I'm not in a hurry, neither going anywhere. So I will wait for this to this chop to end, and then I will execute it accordingly. So this is Bitcoin. Now the question is why I expecting a dump first and then pump. For this we have to visit USDT dominance chart. So when we visit USDT dominance chart and zoom out on it, you will see that this is the SR level here, USDT dominance at SR level, and this is a daily order block I marked here. Equal highs up here, range breakout, we retested range lows and then come back. So now on daily, if you see, I marked these this a bit little SR level or order block zone here. Now if on H4 I see the structure, SR level here. So what I am expecting it to, we didn't act in order block yet. So I'm expecting it to test this order block here from my USDT dominance. Come up here slowly, test and then dump here. So when it goes up towards to test this level, because look at the structure here, lower low, again lower low, test it and dump, lower low, test it, dump, order block unfilled, this is unfilled. So hopefully this supply zone will tag there, and then we will come back towards this major support zone or whatever you call it. The same situation goes with Bitcoin here, that it will drop to this order block if USDT dominance followed my plan, and if USDT dominance goes up, it will come here. Then if, because these both are inverse, USDT dominance goes into that order block, it will be here. And if it drop to that daily order block, it will move towards this weekly fair value gap and then dump. Now another phenomena here is going on very well, which is of double top. One top, you have second top, and you have created a beautifully neckline here. So, and this is BOS point as well, H4 BOS it is. So if H4 closes, it will be this work like this. Now how double top works, let me, this is your two top. Okay, this is a big like market maker idea here. It rarely followed, rarely happen on charts, so it is happening here, like double foot top forming here, a neckline broke, shorters in, price tagged in demand somewhere here, the way this demand is created here, and then it shoot up to take out these shorters, these shorter everyone out here, then it came back, enter here, it broke this structure, because those who longed here again they will exact those, and then when this structure breaks here, there is an order block supply created here, they will retest, and then the proper dump will continue. So I am expecting this phenomena here, one top, two top, neckline, come here down, go up, USDT dominance is also aligning, so we have above liquidity pending here, and then come back towards downside, where downside, which I showed you earlier, this range, this one. So come back to towards these regions, this small regions here, towards these regions, so that will be a small correction here, and if it come back down towards these zones, or if you see a weekly outlook here, I'm not bearish, don't judge me on that. I'm not bearish or not a maximalist. I'm just looking at chart and trying to understand what should I be like, what could be the best things for me to work out. So on daily range, this zone here, and if you see that the weekly range, then this is the max reversal zone here, 42,000, like $10,000 move, and beautifully weekly order block is placed here. There is no harm to test this order block. If it tested here, the reload zone, I will call this zone as a reload zone. Reload here and take a risk here. And if it goes back up here, so get out some here, and then wait, if it break out, then we will go for towards upper level. So overall on Bitcoin, what I'm expecting, the major test this order block, go up weekly, take out like something like this, test this order block, take out all shorters, come back, take out longers, come, and then go back down. This is what I'm expecting, like the way things are forming here. So this is these are my expectations here. So this is it from Bitcoin here. In this between the range, if it is above the range high, you can long. Simple long it towards mid range or range high. And at range high, you can try a short. Don't wait for structure or whatever. If it fails, it will be failed. You will be out with minimum loss, because invalidation is too much, too tiny here. Like if you are shorting this level, that will be your invalidation. So if you are longing this level, your invalidation will be here. So invalidation is too tiny, so you can long and short at range highs and lows respectively. Now looking at altcoins quickly, I take too much time on Bitcoin, but hopefully you guys understand it, what I'm trying to teach or say. What are my idea here? Okay, first one is Ape, which I think we missed it. The target is 1011110, 1111110, 11111011. Mm, I remember it somewhere here. This is the target. So we front rent on Ave. So if I see it again here, remove this liquidity taken out, internal structure broke, fair value gap, and then go up. I will not count on this one. Okay, red list. Where is my red list? Ave BNB. Okay, I took it last night 1 hour. Okay. What's going on at BNB? I will show you and you can trade accordingly. Uh, this is the range here on BNB. Okay. 452 is the mid range. At mid range, you have supply created here. Mark this supply here, which is from 1412 to 1458. It is your supply, whole weekly supply order block here. Now, why I was looking for long is because of this very much important level here. This zone was the SR zone here. If you see that SR zone and this level held beautifully, we created range and we break out of the range. We break out, retested, and then confirmed this breakout here with this BOS, created order block. We tested order block and then going up. What will be the target? This supply zone will be the target. Until this supply didn't hold, didn't act, you can try along on a good setup here. It will give you more setups again. But what will be the invalidation? Come back in range, that will be invalidation, and you can trade then in range from here to here. On higher time frame, lose this SR level again and then go to Gulag again. So better I will check on 15 minutes, not a good sign. We tagged an order block H1. We flipped this zone and lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So two, this is very big one. So hopefully this, and we have small order block placed here, here, this one as well. So if it tested, it tries to test here, like trend line support also here. So you can try along in this zone and target at least these highs here, and then goes according to the structure. So BNB is bullish for me until unless it didn't flip. Okay, dot I traded here, then I forgot about it, and look at this, what it did on higher time frame. Okay, this order block tested very good, again tested, structure shifted, then new order block created here, tested, and then it is going up quite beautifully. But look at this order block. I will not count this as an order block because this is very big candle. So dot, let me remove everything and check it. No, no, not giving me a good vibe. Dot, this is hand, left shoulder, head, right shoulder didn't create it. So SR level here, structure wise it is bullish. Like higher high low structure shifted here, tested these order block, again structure shifted. So this is your SR level. Support, 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 deviation, retest, goes up, breakdown, retested here, down, and then again hopefully this zone takes support. Let me check it on higher time frame. Yes, it is acting as a support here. If I mark this zone, now check out and mark it perfectly. So yes, in this zone, if dot came here and it consolidate here, you can long it. You can try along in this zone and target simply highs. Dot is good as well. Another one is fill. We have already order. Okay, on fill, I will go from weekly. I already yesterday. Yes, yesterday night I was watching it. So this is as a trend line here, and we have two targets up here. And this is the blue zone which I marked is the daily SR level. You see that this SR level reject, again deviation reject, now breakout, and it breaking out, then reverse like dev fuck you, again fuck you. Okay, deviation, deviation, and then after deviation breakout, this BOS here, and we created SR zone here. I place bids in SR zone. I don't know why. Let me check the order blocks. There, hopefully here will be an order block as well. Okay, H1. So H1 order blocks are here. And one more thing I could check. Okay, it is up here, but yesterday night it was here. Okay, it is still here. And mid-range, and we have OTE mentioned here, and it already tested this zone. So I'm expecting it to take my bids. Yes, I have bids here 7.6, 7.0, 7.5 stop loss, and my first TP is 9.55. And then I will look for like if it momentum was there, so I will hold. Otherwise, I don't have that much stamina to hold that much big. So that is already 3.71 hour trade. If it worked out, that will be very, very good. Next is Injectio, everyone favorite. Injectio. Demand, support, trend line, trend line support, and here is a range. Okay. So right now it is in the daily support area here. And I am personally watching it here. Once it flipped 36 here, I will look for longs. Like it breakout here, breakout, then come down, again breakout, come down. That these two are fake out. So I will look for longs here in this zone. Once I get these long, I will target up 44. One of my friends gave me a tip that this will go to 65. I don't know what he smokes, but he says, and whenever he says something, eventually that shit happens, but I don't believe him. And this time I will again don't believe him as well. But if he is saying something, so he had an internal information. So I will look for 0.5 to reclaim here, and I will execute my trade. Other than that, range lows are my best friends, which will Also may connect with BTC plan. GTO, I think I don't have any GTO plan. Near is also at mid-range. Flip, consolidate here and then go will up. Near, keep eye on it. This 0.5 is OD no. Render. Okay, render important one. This is his fresh order block created. Why I mark this one? I feel like it will come slice through it and then it will go up. I don't know why, but I feel like this. It will hunt some liquidity first. But this is your order block here. Look for longs in this zone. Rose already traded. Why I kept this rose here? No, I had another plan on it. Woo. Okay, woo. Woo still didn't hit my TP. I am in this trade and it is at range highs. So I don't think so. New analysis, what should be the new analysis on it? Because structure wise, it was higher high created, order block tested, new higher high created, new order block created, tested beautifully, and it goes almost at the TP. Hopefully, it will hit. So again, new higher high created, new order block as well created as well in this zone. So again, mid-range with your support, it is in your support here, not fill hull, it is up. So on retest here, you can long with a stop here and you can target range high or this area as well. So here, I'm not interested in this because it is at range high and shorting is haram. In ZRX, we traded, we made a good money from it. Okay, now from Twitter, I got some request. Let me check. Okay, RLC and dot done. RLC share a spot buying zone for T and the video will consider holding it. So okay, where's the current call at adoption condition? Okay, first dot done. RLC I will check. RLC USDT. I think I took a small trade on it. Oh, RLC. RLC. Breakout. Breakout retested and goes up very good. Weekly RLC demand is this one, bro. And this demand matches with this SR zone as well. This one. So this is very important demand for RLC. Buy zone, this one. If it gives you this weekly demand 2.6 to 2.1 area, you can buy and target will be these wicks. So whoever asked for RLC buying zone, I showed you, and yes, it might come down. It might come down. Lower time frame, if I check there is nothing major. And line support it is. And this liquidity is also hunting here. Higher high. Lower time frame is not much clear. Higher time frame is good. This zone is your friendly zone. So it will test. Inshallah, it will come here. I will. I have another idea as well at OP intraday trade. Yes, this is 3 hour demand here. This one and equal lows. So if someone wants to trade, yeah, right now it is under supply here, small supply, it will reject here. So if someone wants to trade OP, place bids here 3.4.3.4023 and stop should be here at 3.32. So it will give you a good bounce until here and you can exit at 3.5. That will be a good intraday trade. OP. I had marked, thankfully I remembered it at time. Okay. Mm, okay, please. What is RLC done? NFP. Next one is NFP. Hmm. I am watching these structure. Oh, okay. I already traded this shit. NFP. I thought I didn't know about this shit, but I know it. It's also good thing. Oh, good range creation here. Range I also taken out. So what should I say here? New coin it is. I took a stop on it. Here. Hmm. This small tiny demand should hold here because it tested this and got a good beautiful reaction here. So it should like mm, take support here. But these are the new coins. I don't recommend to trade these coins. See SEIUSDT dot P. C C has a daily demand here. A small indecisive candle. This is not a demand, this is indecisive candle, and these candles works very perfectly. So if it is in daily indecisive candle, so we will find something out of it and lows taken out, internal liquidity taken out. So right now it is in demand zone. It should hold here to go towards these highs or might be this SR zone or internal liquidity. It will hunt this. See, on higher time frame, it is like on demand and the cluster of demand is here. And it is good. Like for long run, I think it should hold here and if market continues to goes up, it will blast quickly. C is good one. Okay. Next one is Sui. Oi, I have okay. Previous all-time high. We broke out previous all-time high and we are in demand already. You can buy it. Your stop loss is daily. Daily close below this previous all-time high. Get out from the trade. You can buy it now. And this is your first target because price is in what we called it discovery mode. At from all-time high, it start discovery mode. So you never know at what will be the impact of this price, where till it go. But the way it is consolidating here, you can buy in there in pieces, and when daily closes below this level, you can get out from the trade. So first initial risk 1%, but keep in mind that you will lose 1.5%. So this will be your risk 1% to 1.5% allocate here, and if it goes, you will get a good bunch of money from it, like to 5 to 7% in return. Right now it is in demand. This is my first look and I feel like it is a good project. I will keep eye on it. Swish, it will give me a good trades. SYN USDT.P. Hmm. SYN, there is a spot trading only. These are my previous analysis work out perfectly. Internal liquidity taken out. All liquidities are already taken out. So what should I do here now? I will remove drawing. Simple. What can I do here? Nothing. Mm, this is a range low. Now looks better. Now looks better. Structure shifted here, slowly coming down, and here is your demand zone. You might place limit here, you might place limit in between that demand here. H floor colos is below here, and you will out first target, second target. SVN. Actually, Twitter is not working in Pakistan, so it takes too much time to load the comments. Too much time. I'm using VPN. Mm, what was the next coin? Let me check quickly. ING done. ETH. Did I check out ETH? I think I didn't check. Okay, BNB done. Ethereum. This is my entry here, this line. And DCA bids here I have, and stop is here. This is my long trade, personal long trade. And right now, this is your supply. You can short here, like trade it. Very tiny stop it is, so it should react here. On first tap, it should react here. No. So the way it is going up, there is a no strength here. So it will slowly come up and then come, like it will be like this slowly. And then tap, bang, it will be like this. I'm expecting it this. And if it is wrong, it will be wrong in first candle. You can, there is not FEG here. So you can short here. No worries. Mid range is also here. And OTE is up. One entry, second entry, and maybe some a bit wide stop you can place here because this level already reacted. So ETH is this one, and I'm expecting it to come here, and then we'll check out. So ETH done. Thank you, ETH. Mm, okay. Bond OP done, I think. OP done. I sent. Who is ready? He was saying, and who already dead. Sand, sand USDT. I'm watching it after many days. Sand. Once upon a time, I was trading sand, and I don't know. It is a spot chart, huh? Ooh, look at this Burj Khalifa. When will sand starts its thing? Okay, remove. Let me check. I think analysis already on sand. So this is, there is a spot chart. I hope I have something on it. Yes, I have, but I have only one line here. Bullshit. Look at sand, where it is. That breakout will be massive. Sand. So where should we buy it? We can try to buy here at flip. Nah. Remove drawing. Give me a good view. Mm, this has a level, so and structure shifted, order block is tested, so sand is ready, I think. At least this level. Sand. This level should be taken out, in my opinion. If this is the range here, yes, SR level. Once flipped here, it will take this. So I will keep this in mind. Sand, where is my red list? Had sand USDT dot P in it. So it will give me a good trade. Too many people asked about AI. Which coin is this one? AI USDT dot P. Hmm? I don't know about certain coin I marked something on it. Did it? I marked in my comma time. Okay, I marked. Nice. SR level here. And in SR level we created demand here, tag there, it goes up, and we test it again, and we are going to test it again once more time, I think. So AI will be, whoever asking about AI, this is your zone to buy, and daily or wait for H4 daily. Daily closure will be good. If daily close is below here, you can get out from the trade. And if it holds, that will be your first target, my brother. Okay, how many? By the LDO. LDO I did or not? LDO I think I did. People asked like few, if I am tweeting like give me coins, one guy will give me average of 3 coins. Give me only one, so I checked all coins. Now I'm picking one coin from certain. Okay. LDO I'm not interested, bro. Why I'm not interested in LDO? This liquidity taken out, it is at highs. Let me check one more thing. But wait a minute. LDO BTC chart looks bullish. What the fuck? It is taking support here. Now we will have interest in it. We have to take interest in LDO. Now it is compulsory. Mm, good SR level. Daily. This is supply here. How to trade it? How to trade this shit? Everyone has this same question. How to trade? Let me show you how to trade. Don't worry, I am here to show you. There's a main supply here. Red, 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 red. And this is your bearish order block. It is also red. Okay. Mm, now, now, how to trade LDO? LDO, you can trade my brother like this. Flip here on H4, retest this order block and then go up. Let me show you live example. You see this supply? Flip here, retest here and then go up to your next target. Same. This is valid supply because it tested once, making lower lows, but don't care about these lower lows because we are in bull market right now. Market trend is up, so we will look for up trades only. No shorts are haram. So flip here and then go up. Let me mark this in my list. I will add it. Okay, next trade is BCH USDT Bitcoin Cash. Dot peak because most of you trade. Right now it is not looking good, man. This is your supply. Same situation here. Flip this supply and then go for these highs. Keep this supply in mind. Breakout here, retest will given and then long it. Other than that, like if you wanna long in this zone, this is choppy zone. Don't long here. Near USDT. This is what demand is important one. We test it. We going up. Near is slow coin. Why it is slow, I don't know. And honestly, I log into the broker and start trading. You and I don't see a proper structure on it. Near. It is under previous week high. So no, don't see any structure on near. Proper structure. Okay, anyone else? Orbs. ORBSUSDT. Which coin is this one? Hmm? Q coin, Jim. Are you expecting a wick like this? What is this? What is this, man? What is this? If you have information about this coin and you know that the whales are going to long this shit, then buy it. Other than that, don't buy, because these are the pump dumb coins. If you have internal news about orbs, then take it. Matic. And this is my last one, I think. It's enough for me for today because weekly too many charts I have give you. Now it's up to you which one you want to trade, which one you don't. Matic is also sleeping or what? No, just not giving me good vibes. Matic, not a clear structure, neither giving me too many cluster candles, so I will avoid Matic. So this is it. I hope I have mentioned too many coins. So please know how to trade them. Like copy my charting and then analyze it by yourself and place bids according to your strategy. Whatever strategy you apply on charts, and do it according to yourself. I have to give you direction. I did give you. Now it's up to you how you guys will execute it. Same. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing same fuckery here. So I will wait for my demand to tap here. This is the setup I am looking for. And ETH, this is the setup I am looking for, but I am not shorting it. And you can if you want. Solana. Solana is under demand zones as well. So yes, this is it. Inshallah, see you next week. Hopefully, this video will help you a lot because I did very simple TA. So just I checked out SR levels, some trendline support, some order blocks and demands, and I give you a quick recap of the market. Thank you for tuning till last. If you are still here, subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with Mars. Thank you. Thank you guys for tuning till now, and I'm out.